Making rusted, old, and tired-looking surfaces looking like new again is the perfect job for BeautiTone's Rust Coat paint. Here's how. BeautiTone's Rust Coat paint line comes in both latex and alkyd. Both provide excellent rust corrosion protection and weatherability and can be used on indoor and outdoor surfaces. Rust Coat is available in several ready-mix colors and tintable to over 1,500 colors. Their anti-corrosive properties work on all metals with no primer required. It boasts an outstanding high-gloss finish that looks like factory-baked enamel. Use a wire brush to remove the loose coating and sand off any gloss to ensure good adhesion. Ensure surface is clean and completely dry before applying Rust Coat. Rust Coat's latex paint provides a fast-drying, superior high-gloss finish with great color retention. Easy to clean up, it can be used on surfaces such as metal and concrete and is great on plastic and fiberglass. It works on virtually any surface where a high-gloss finish is desired. Rust Coat alkyd paint is urethane fortified to provide a tough and durable surface. Apply the alkyd Rust Coat to interior or exterior metal surfaces such as bare rusted metal, swing sets, bicycles, and farm machinery. Make old look new again with BeautiTone's Rust Coat paint.